They did for good, but I was hard to put in because of the tightness. Does the job for sure. The clips that come outdoor furniture not as strong as these. Very easy to install, takes seconds. Exactly what I need to keep the wicker chairs together and not sliding around. These are great to secure our wicker furniture into place, and to keep from moving. Would highly recommend. These clips worked perfect to keep our furniture together, no more slipping and sliding when someone sits down. These clips work very well. Easy to slip on. They allow the furniture to move just a little, to allow you space to adjust the pieces if necessary. You can put these on or take them off with ease. Click link in description for more reviews.